Hey guys, I'm Caitlin, your computer concierge, and I just wanted to come out and say that we are still doing our food drive. Now, I know it's been very tough on people lately about food, groceries, bills, everything like that. So, I would like to say that we are still doing our local food drive. You can bring in your cans, dried goods, anything. You can come out from the Kroger next to us, and if you have a little extra money in your pocket, pick some dry goods up for us, bring them on in, and that way we can help the homeless people or people in need. I know there's been a lot of people having financial issues, which is totally understandable, and I would like to just say, can of green beans out of your pantry that you have not touched in months. I bet there's green beans in your pantry that you have not touched in years, which my family will keep dry goods like it's nobody's business. And so we have a box of cereal that's in our little bin over there in front of the computer store. It's perfectly good. It's boxed up, it's sealed, and even stuff like that, cereal, dry cans, just canned foods, cereals, whatever you find in your pantry that you do not touch or eat anymore, just bring it on in and just help a neighbor out. And that's what we need nowadays, is friendly people coming in, supporting each other. It's hard times, and we would just like to give a lending hand, which reminds us that there is still good in people and still good in the world. And I know that right now it doesn't seem like there's nothing else good in the world, but let's try to get that back, and let's try to, say, hi, you look amazing today, or hey, I just wanted to let you know that you're doing amazing, which is all that people want to hear now. Something kind, say kind words, be a great person. You are. So reach out to people, reach out to your neighbors. When you take your dog on a walk, just be kind to other people you see out and about. What else? We had some amazing people that used to work here that started up this food drive, and we would like to keep it going in remembrance of her. So if you would, just stop on by, say hi to us, and just drop off the food if you'd like. But this coming up Friday is free Diagnostic Fridays, so do not forget. And also, we are still being open at 7 o'clock at night on Saturdays. So come by, see us, grab your wallets, grab your purses, grab your keys, and come on and see us. I know there's a computer in the back of your closet that needs to be fixed, so come on by and come see us. And that is all from me today. Y'all have a great rest of the day. I know it's raining, so keep dry and just be the amazing people you are. Thank you so much.